First of all, let me thank you all for view my videos. Today we will talk about VECHAIN. VECHAIN (VET) is a coin that is presently exchanged at $0.028925 per unit, with a market capitalization of $1,863,559,572, that makes it a mid-position cryptographic money. The cost of VECHAIN remained at $0.027623 at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which is a 13.76% distinction when contrasted with the ongoing value. 7 days prior, on May 7, the VECHAIN market remained at $0.046996 as the aftereffect of the endeavors of all market members. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% comparable to its current standing. A month prior, on April 14, VECHAIN was valued at $0.061670, which concurred with our cost forecast for that specific period. Contrasted with the current place of VECHAIN, it addresses a 52.90% cost move. Recently, on May 13, the market capitalization of VECHAIN remained at $1,776,579,283. Last week, on May 7, the aggregate sum of capital gave to VECHAIN was laid out at $3,022,558,730. The information from a month prior, enlisted on April 14, shows that VECHAIN had a market capitalization of $3,966,364,835. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the VECHAIN market added up to $249,849,877. Recently, on May 13, the normal volume at the end of the exchanging meeting added up to $418,062,333. 7 days prior, on May 7, the power of VECHAIN exchanging all through the meeting came to $266,796,453. With regards to digital currencies, market capitalization serves more as a sign of the coin's portion or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its general ubiquity with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous cryptographic money dealers view market capitalization as a vital pointer to be considered prior to going with exchanging choices. It is determined by duplicating the all-out number of coins that are as of now available for use, flowing stock, by the ongoing cost of VECHAIN, which, as currently referenced, by and by remains at $0.028925. Considering that equation, we have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of VECHAIN to be at $1,863,559,572. Which legitimizes its place as the 37th coin among those present on the cryptographic money market. There are we again going to discuss digital currency for a huge load of individuals constantly looking. Today, we are discussing VECHAIN cryptographic money that sent off in 2016 and consistently warming up the climate by going to the top at the cost. Further in this article, you will learn about VECHAIN Price Prediction 2022 with some significant data. Allow us to let you know that VECHAIN is a local token to the VECHAIN blockchain. Alongside it, the uncommon VECHAIN exchanging stage is presently offering for the troublesome cycles that have dialed back hierarchical development. This special blockchain-based organization assumes a fundamental part in making an association's tasks more creative and processes all the more clear-cut. Since VECHAIN holds a lot higher position when contrasted with other blockchain projects, a great many individuals hold it. Thus it is essential to find out about the actual undertaking and the VECHAIN coin cost forecast. Presently, a few critical subtleties of the digital money that assist everybody with taking an unmistakable choice to put resources into the coin or not. The ticker image of the digital money is VET, and everybody definitely knows it in light of the fact that many individuals just know this coin with its ticker symbol. Alongside it, the cost of the coin is presently happening at $0.132811. Many individuals remember to put resources into it, yet to put resources into it, then read the total article prior to making any stride. Here, we are giving a VET price prediction to the impending 5 years that obviously shows the potential and strength of the digital money. What is VECHAIN? For novices, it's difficult to comprehend blockchain tech, yet there in straightforward words, VECHAIN is a blockchain stage made to improve inventory network the board, as well as business processes. Further, the objective is to work with these cycles and data stream for complex stockpile chains, using dispersed record innovation. Peruse the post further to find out about VET Cost Expectation 2022 and some essential to know questions. VET Price Prediction. The total VECHAIN statistics of the coin is given beneath, and it obviously shows the past information of the coin. Perusing VECHAIN value expectations can be an incredible move, assuming you are new to crypto speculation. These sorts of articles will give the purchasers an overall thought regarding how the undertaking will act from now on. Further, we will cover VET cost expectation from the year 2022 to 2026. VECHAIN Coin Price Prediction 2022. From that point forward, the VET price prediction of 2022 obviously shows that the coin will be open at 15 cents, and afterward the cost again vacillates a great deal. Toward the year's end, the coin will be going up to 49 cents draws in individuals to get an extremely better pace of benefit by putting resources into it. Where to buy VET coins? There are numerous sources for the merchant where they can contribute and try and save their coins for a sensible time frame. In the event that you are investigating those stages, the stages are Binance, FTX, UOB Global, KuCoin, and Gate.io. Since VECHAIN is one of the top altcoins, it will be accessible on basically every trade stage. In which wallet I can hold VECHAIN coins? Dealers can easily situate their coins specifically exact stages which are approved and utilized by large number of individuals across the world. The names of the wallets where you can hold your coins are Ledger, Trezor, Math Wallet, Trust Wallet, Exodus, Safable, and Atomic Wallet. Is VECHAIN scam or legit? In the event that you are thinking about that the coin isn't dependable and is associated with any manufacturer, then you should be off base as it has been quite a while since the coin was sent off on the lookout and purchased by numerous merchants. Our VECHAIN price prediction can be unbelievably erroneous, and the coin could in fact surpass our cost forecast. If it's not too much trouble, put away cash that you can bear to lose. What is the future potential of VECHAIN? It will be quite intriguing to witness what will straight away. Presently, the VECHAIN VET price prediction for the forthcoming 5 years has been given above, and everybody is anxious to know more data about it. The subtleties of the coin are referenced above, and many individuals all over the nation need to get a clue to put resources into it to get more benefit or not. In this way, remain associated with us to realize more data connected with the coin. On the off chance that you are searching for all the more high potential yet hazardous venture choices, then you can consider image coins like Floki Inu as well as Shiba Inu token.